Oceans make life on this planet possible. But right now, our oceans are under pressure from climate change, pollution, and overfishing that unfortunately still persists. This is Kornati National Park, a unique archipelago on the Dalmatian coast of Croatia. The Kornati archipelago is home to many marine species, such as algae, seabirds, the bottlenose dolphin, and the loggerhead sea turtle. It is also home to an endemic Mediterranean seagrass that is known as the lungs of the sea. Kornati was put under protection in 1980, and today the park officials are implementing a management plan that was designed in cooperation with experts in civil society. And special attention is given to local population that owns all the land on the islands. More than half of the national park is made up of water, and I came here to see for myself how marine animals and plants are doing here, and how the EU rules on ocean protection are put into practice. What are your biggest successes here in the marine protected area?
What we are now proud of, we are really beginning to really protect the sea bottom. The Posidonia project, we are now implementing safe anchorage systems, ecological anchorage system. So hopefully next year all the anchorage system will be in place, and then you will have no more free anchoring in Kornati. So there will be no more damage via anchoring. That's the most important part for the marine biology.
Yeah, to protect the seagrass meadows, which are such an important habitat and also really important to fight climate change in the end.
Everything starts from the bottom, seagrass. People don't understand that, but really Posidonia, it means life. It's like the jungle. Its production of life starts from the ground, and then everything else follows.
And what would you like to do us in the European Parliament that would actually help your work?
Our biggest challenge is to meet all the needs of the locals. Very important is to protect the locals, the people who are actually own these whole islands. I think that our government and especially European Union, we can do a lot of good things in the future, hopefully.
Experts agree that protecting 30% of our oceans by 2030 will help marine life recover. But it is important that protection is done in practice and not only on paper. Today I learned a lot about the successes they've had, the challenges that they face, and all of these learnings I will now take along with me back to the European Parliament, where we will of course continue our fight for more protected areas.